Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed preposition of time. Now today we discuss preposition of position. Okay? Today we discuss preposition of position. Second part is preposition of position. Preposition of position. This tells us about the position of a prepositions. Clear? So in this video we discuss at a, between among, on upon, between among, on upon, below over, above over, below under, above over, below under, above over. These are the preposition of position. These shows the preposition of position. Clear? Now first of all we discuss at and in. This we discuss in position of time, preposition of time also, and this we discuss in preposition of position also. Clear? But use is different. So write down heading at and in. Where we use this? Has the idea of point. Idea of a point. At has the idea of a point. Clear? It is used with, where we use this? It is used with villages. In position where we use it? With villages, small towns. With villages, small towns. Okay? But in has the idea. In has the idea of a larger area. In has the idea of a larger area and is used with speaking and is used with speaking of bigger towns, states, countries, etc. Okay? So this is the difference between at and in. At has the idea of a point. It is used with villages or small towns. At तो हम villages और small towns के साथ use करेंगे, but in we use with bigger towns, states, countries, etc. Clear? So write down like at Karol Bagh in New Delhi. So what? New Delhi is the capital of India and is the part of New Delhi. तो at तो New Delhi में एक छोटा सा means small area है. So with the small areas we use at and with big areas we use in. Clear? Like at the end, in the middle. Clear? In a factory is big. In a bank is big. So this is the use of at and in. Clear? Now second use of at and in. Write down. Second use of at and in. It conveys the idea of general. It conveys the idea of general neighborhood. It conveys the idea of general neighborhood. It conveys idea of something. It conveys the idea of something. Idea of something contained. Something contained, like please sit at the table. At the table when you eat. When you eat. Please sit at the table when you eat. Okay? The jam bottle. The jam bottle is in the refrigerator. Is in the refrigerator. Is in the refrigerator. Clear? So this is the use of at and in case of preposition of position. Now second is between and among. Between and among. Second use is between and among. Second is between. It is used in the middle of. It is used in the middle of two persons or thing. In the middle of two persons or thing. ये टू पर्सन्स और थिंग्स के लिए यूज होता है. लाइक एग्जाम्पल राइट डाउन. She stood between the husband and the son. She stood between her husband and son. This way we use between and now. Among. In the middle of more than two persons or things. In the middle of more than two persons, or in the middle of more than two persons or things, or surrounded by a group of, or surrounded by a, or surrounded by a, or surrounded by a group of persons or things. Surrounded by a group of persons or things. Among we use for more than two persons or things, and between we use for middle of two persons or things. I think difference is clear. So write down the example of among. Distribute these mangoes. Distribute these mangoes among these boys. Among these boys. Clear? So this is the difference between among and between. Clear? Where we use among and where we use between. Clear? Now, next is next one is our third one is our on and upon. Third is on, upon. That we use in on, we use in that also. Preposition of time also. Both on and upon. Both on and upon can be used while speaking. can be used while speaking, of things at rest, speaking of things at rest, and upon is used with the things in motion. Upon is used with the things in motion. Okay, upon is used with things in motion means things which are used in motion. Okay, like my bag is and on is. My bag is on upon the table. Both are correct. On and upon both are correct. Clear? The cat sprang upon the table. Used upon is used for the motion. Upon the table means motion होगा. Clear? Upon the table. Now use of on and upon is clear. Now next is above and over. Next one is above and over. Above, over. Above is used. Above, it is used in higher place or position. In higher place or position. In higher place or position. Above is used in higher place or position. Like example, the sun rose above the horizon. Above the horizon. The sun rose above the horizon. Clear? This is use of above. Next is use of over. Next is use of over. When something is vertically above. When something is vertically above or from one end to the other end, or from one end to the other end, one end to the other end. Clear? Over and above. Example write down. The sky is over our heads. The sky is over our heads. Okay. Next example write down. The bridge. There was a bridge. There was a bridge over the river. There was a bridge over the river. Clear? So over and above and over example use is clear. Above it is used in higher place or position. Clear? Higher place or position के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Above and over when something is vertically above from one end to the other end. Like the sky is over our heads means अपने head से ऊपर है. The sun rose above the horizon means सबसे जो ऊपर है, ज्यादा ऊपर की बात होगी तो हम above यूज करेंगे, and before means अपने से थोड़ा ऊपर की बात होगी तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Over. So this is the use of over and above. Clear? Next below and under. Use of below and under. Write down below and under. Both below and under mean lower than. Means lower than. Sometimes we can use word than. Sometimes we can use either of them. Sometimes we can use either of them, but under also means vertically below. But under also mean vertically below. Clear? Both below and under mean lower than. Okay, नीचे की बात हो रही है. Sometimes we can use either of them. कुछ भी इन दोनों में से यूज कर सकते हैं. But under also mean vertically below. Means vertically under का mean vertically below भी होता है. Clear? So under, use of under, write down under use. It is under. It is opposite of over. It is opposite of over. Clear? It is opposite of over. Below the surface of something. 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 Sinking inside something. Sinking inside something. Where we use inside something. Where we use this under. Okay. Sinking inside something. Okay. So example write down. Have you looked under the bed? Have you looked under the bed? Translate, have you looked under the bed? Next write down. She is under 40. She is under 40. Next example write down. Many people worked under him. Many people worked under him means below in post or status. Below in post and status means for post and status also we use under. Clear? Yes, under. Clear? Now, she is means comparatively below the value. Comparatively below the value or limit. Value or limit. So this is the use of under. Clear? Now next is our below. This is the use of means where we use under. Next is use of below. There we use below. Below is also used in measurements. Used in measurements. Also used in measurements to suggest the idea of being lower than. Idea of lower than, to suggest the idea of being lower than. Clear? Below is also used in measurement to suggest the idea being lower than. Okay? So write down the use of below, like example of below. The temperature, write down the example of below. The temperature was 3 degree below normal. Was 3 degree below normal. Clear? Was 3 degree below normal. So these are the prepositions of position. Clear? Here our preposition of position is completed. In next class we discuss another kind of preposition, another type of preposition, that preposition of movement and direction. So everyone know one, note down one thing, you all fill your book exercise. Clear?